So I needed a soundbar with a optical audio cable because my television does not have Bluetooth capabilities, and this soundbar looked like it would fit the bill. It was very easy to put together. I went with the one single bar option. You basically twist the two sides on together, lock them in place, plug it in, and attach the cable, and you are good to go. So here's a little tip. You are not going to want to keep the sticker that is on top of your brand new soundbar in place that tells you what the color codes are. So go ahead and remove the sticker, stick it on the back of your remote, maybe trim the bottom to make it fit a little bit better, but it's a nice place to keep the information without it being on top of your beautiful soundbar.